Why ANY? The reason why I choose this is because right now we broke out of the $4.50. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Well, you're welcome to the Trading Success Show. This is your boy Francis. If you have any questions, concern, or whatever you have, just email me at tradingsuccessshow@gmail.com. But today what we're going to be dealing with is going to be small price, low float stocks for the weekend watch list. I will be looking at different tickers that traders have sent in, as well as what I'll be looking forward to the coming week. So keep an eye on these names that I'm gonna call out and what levels I'll be looking at. Well, pardon me, this is the second time I'm recording this because the first one I didn't realize the audio wasn't on. So let's get into it, and we're gonna get into it really fast, as we tend to retain the knowledge from these videos. Anyways, with that being said, this is your Spider ETF 500 S&P. What I'm looking for on this right now is for price to reject this 450 area. Why? The reason is because every time price gets to this area, it gets rejected, right? Every single time. So what am I expecting now? I'm expecting price to reject this area. If price doesn't reject this area, then I'll be looking for continuation into 455. Okay? And if price extend from this level, from this breakout level, I'll be expecting price to retest this breakout spot and then continue pushing higher. That is my expectation for the market. If for any reason this trend becomes the sole rejection or the resistance, then we'll be looking for price to revisit the 445, 443 area. So keep an eye on this area. It's a very critical spot in this coming week, so that will be really interesting. Now that we've got the market out of the way and what to expect, I will be looking for price to reject it. If it doesn't, then we can continue pushing higher. Okay, and don't forget, stocks only go up, right? So first one is going to be ANY. Why ANY? The reason why I choose this is because right now we broke out of the $4.50 into the $5, and I'm expecting price to continue pushing on the name. BBIG, this one is already extended, mainly looking at this, but I'm expecting this to push into the 90 RSI and then pull back. $6 break, this will give room for $758 on the name. APRE, this one as well, keep an eye on this one, because the 450 break I think will continue to push higher on that one. AREC as well, we break this $2.25, I think 250, $3 is coming. ATRE, this one right now we need to fill the gap. Where is the gap? This is the gap, guys. It's about $1 gap. So what I mean $1 is like you're looking at this area right here, which is perhaps $8, and then we have this area right here. Okay, so I'm looking for this gap to really fill, and then after filling the gap, we'll be looking for $10 or even $20. AWX, this one also I'm looking for a bounce. Right now we are in the middle of the range, so I will expect this to push into 450, whole 450, and I think we'll continue pushing higher. AYTU, just keep an open mind for the 421 area to break. If we break 421, I think we'll be able to visit $6 easily on AYTU. BAOS as well. This one also is for a long term for me. I picked up around the $2. I'm expecting 250 to break into the $3. CEMI as well. Price is holding. Price really did close around the $3, which is a solid area of support. So I'll be looking for price to push towards the 450. DROMA as well. I'm looking for this area. I have some position around this spot, so I'm looking for continuation right above the $6. ENSC, this is going to be your bottom bounce play. This is going to be your bounce play into the $6 or $11. ENVB, this one has been a long hold for me, so we're just consolidating lower and pushing lower into resistance. So I'm looking for price to break $2. We break $2, I think we'll be able to see $3 easily on this name. EXPRO, this one we are in a range right now. This is the top, which is our resistance, and this is the bottom, which is our support. So I need volume to come in and then push towards the $8. GMVD, this is also another long-term hold for me. I'm expecting price to push into $5. That's what I'm expecting. GROVI, this one I'm looking for $7, $6.50, $7, because right now we have this trend. So this is where you want to be taking your partial and then holding for price to visit $9, $10. GSM, we are extended, but I'm looking for $7.50, $8, and then price pull back to retest this breakout zone. That is where I'll be looking for price to pull back. Overall, looking at the volume is really coming in, which shows me that this can still go higher, but we are extended. HIHO, this one right here is $4.25. Keep an eye on the $4.25 spot. MMA, this is a long-term hold for me. I got some here, sold some, price pulled back down. I was really beaten down on the name, though I took profit, but still the same thing. You don't want to be seeing your stock pulling back down, right? So we made a double bottom here, and double bottom I picked some up, and I'm expecting this to continue pushing higher. MXC also is another one that I'll keep my eye on. With all the situation with bombing of ISIS and all that, I'm expecting oil and gas play to be in play this coming week. So keep an eye on it. Right now we have this indecision here, so I'm expecting this to continue pushing above 975. NNA, this one as well, we are extended, but look for consolidation around here. NURO, this one is also really respected the 50 exponential moving average well, and then bounce right off, just shoot through the 20 exponential moving average. So I'll be looking for price to play around this 1750. If it doesn't hold this 1750, then I think we'll pull back to test the 1225, 1250 area. OPGN is another one to keep an eye on as we about to get back into the supply zone. PMCB as well. Right now we have this beautiful triangle that I want price to break. So we break the 360 spot. I think we'll head into the $4 and then fill this gap to 575. PPSI, another one to keep an eye on as we are about to break out of this resistance, which is our 425 area. We break this, I think we'll get through 470 easily on PPSI. PSHG, this one is a long term, so I'm still holding this, and I think I'm expecting $6 on this, so keep an eye. RNAZ, this one as well, keep an eye on this one as we're about to break this area. I'm looking for price to visit, to really push back to the $7, $8. SGOC, this one is a bounce play from support, so look for price to push into $12, reject it, pull back to the $9 area, consolidate, and then continue pushing higher. SHIP, Right now my target is 150. If we break this 125 130 area solidly, then I think 150 will come easily. SQBG, this one is also a good one to keep an eye on for long term. You know, I have some position and I will continue adding on pullback into the $15, and then we can explode higher. SSY, looking at this right now, I think we are holding well around this 20 and 50 exponential moving average, which is also our resistance. So price action wise, I'm looking for $4. SUNW, this is a Sunworks, and it's a long-term hold. Right now we're making a double bottom, which is also serving as our demand zone. Demand zone is the buying zone, supply zone is the selling zone, right? So this is the demand zone into $8 break, I think we'll be pushing into $9. TBLT, this is a small one. Look for price to visit the $60 60 cent spot. If we break 60 cents, I think 70 cents, 85 90 cents is coming easily. WIMI, this is also another one to keep an eye on. Right now the resistance is just really, so your intermediate resistance is around 445 443. So we break this area, I think you see 550 into $6. And last but not the least is going to be Xela, XELA. Keep an eye. I'm looking for price to push above the 250, and the price hold that area. I think $3 $5 is coming on the name, because why? We have volume coming in. ROSI is not in the over sold level, which is our 48, which is right in the middle. So keep an eye on it as we continue to push on XELA. Guys, thank you for listening, thank you for being here. I really appreciate you all listening in, tuning in. If you have any questions, concerns, just email me, follow me up on Twitter or on StockTweet. And if you have any questions, you know what to do. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you wherever you are. Have a fantastic weekend, and I hope you all bank in the coming week. I will be putting out my short video clips on overnight hold as well, so you know, feel free to log back into YouTube, you know, hit me up and stuff like that. So with that being said, I wish you all a fantastic one. Peace and love, guys. Bye bye.